Looking for a flexible job in Australia? Domino's is now hiring e-bike delivery riders in Sydney. Whether you're a student, part-timer, or just want extra income, this is your chance to join a fast-growing team. What you'll do: deliver hot, fresh pizzas using eco-friendly electric bikes. Provide great customer service with every order. Work in a fun, fast-paced environment. What you need: no driving license required. Basic knowledge of local streets, friendly attitude and reliability, perks and benefits, flexible working hours, competitive pay plus incentives, no fuel cost, just ride and earn. Training provided, no experience needed. Location: multiple Domino's outlets across Sydney are hiring now. Call to action. Don't miss out. Apply today and start earning on two wheels.